Strawberry afternoons by your side, where fields of flowers.
My nails really need to be redone right now, so I'm just gonna do that really quickly while watching a drama. I'm currently watching Yumi Sal's, and I always like to get my inspiration from Pinterest. There's so many ideas that you can take a look at. I'm just gonna take out a bunch of my pink ones to see which ones will be useful. The first thing I need to remove the nail polish that I already have. I've been using this one for a while, and this one's really great because it doesn't give off that typical like acetone, really harsh nail polish smell. It smells like sweet, so yeah, it's definitely a better experience. I'm gonna try start by drawing one of these tulips over here on my thumb. I just had an idea and I want to try to see if it works. Finished! Pretty happy with how it turned out. I don't know about this middle finger though. Gel Setter Top Coat by Essie, and it's all done. It's really shiny now. Oh, I really don't know about that middle one. I have recently been wanting to cut some layers in my hair. So my hair, as you can see, is very long. The thing is that I would like to still keep my long hair. There will come a day when I'll cut my hair very short one day, but it's just not yet. Okay, I'm not quite ready. But I have cut my hair before and it's actually kind of fun. Like, it's almost like therapeutic. I don't know, is that kind of weird? But I don't think I've cut as many layers as I'm planning to do today yet though, so should be interesting. I don't know why I like to have long hair. I just like the feeling of it flowing, and it's just always been like my protective barrier. I just like hide behind it when I'm like embarrassed or whatever. I don't know, it's just so fun to just like, you know. It's definitely a lot of work to take care of though, especially when you're in the shower. It can take a really long time.
머리를 감을 때마다 울면서 감고 팔이 떨어질 것 같아 이러면서 울면서 말리죠. 도대체 이 머리가 한강물이 마르기 전까지 마르는 거야? 이러면서.
I've seen a few tutorials. There's a lot of ways that you can do this. Like some people like grab it like this and then like tie it, cut it. So I'm going to be following this YouTuber called Mojis. It seems like she's an actual hairdresser, so I'm gonna trust her. Okay, you want to remember to have something to lay down so that it's easier to clean up. I just happen to have some hair cutting scissors, some big clips, and some hair ties. A lot of people say to just part your hair like however you normally part it, but I change my parting quite a lot these days, and I also maybe might want to do a fringe, like a really small one. And in the video she said to do it in the middle as well. Alrighty. The back of the crown of your head. Bring it around. It's where your eyebrows end. Comb that forward. I can't see anything. You want to bring your finger to where your chin is and then cut like around 2 centimeters off from there. She says you want to cut it very, not like you're cutting paper, but very like chop 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 instead of snip snip snip. So here we are, chopping away. Is that too short? Oh gosh, I think it's too short. Oh, that's a lot of hair already. Sorry if you can't see my face right now. I don't really think you should see it. Did I grab too much hair or do I just have a lot of hair? So middle of eyebrow. Middle. Okay, it's 2 centimeters. I mean, this is fun. I can't remember how many centimeters I've cut off so far. You know what? I think that'll do. If we're thinking a big round semicircle, no, we're just going by feeling. Alright. Stressful. Okay, now what? Okay, now to make this front part look a bit nicer. This separation, you just want to connect that in like a circular shape. Circular. What am I doing? I don't know what I'm doing. Bring it to the front. Wait, how to do it? Can I actually air this? I have no idea. You know, I don't know. I think I make a really good garden share. Okay, I'm gonna finish up the other side and come back. I've done the other side. Just gonna clean up a little bit more now. I think like to put some meaning into this, just cutting your own hair, as a lot of it is just like getting past your own fears, because it's hair and it grows back. You just do it knowing that it's going to be okay. You just learn to kind of just let it go. In the process of doing it, you just feel a lot more comfortable and confident. Oh crap. And thank you for coming to my TikTok. All of the hairdressers in the world are crying so many tears right now. If you're a hairdresser watching this, I'm so sorry. Alrighty. Is it too straight at the ends? I don't know. Because there's a lot of shorter layers at the top, feels a bit like a wolf cut. Anyways, I look crazy. Oh, there's hair on my face. It is only the second vlog, and already I'm showing you these sort of sides of me. There's so much hair. Yeah, so I'm gonna try save this by styling. I'll be back. Okay, so a little something like this. It looks a lot more voluminous. I'm not mad. It's alright. I mean, I only did like a little, just like a C curl like this. I think it will look a lot nicer with actual curls. Other than that, not bad, I think. It still looks crazy when it's not styled though. My hair definitely feels a lot lighter. You know, the question here is, do I also cut a straight fringe? Very, very tempted. Okay, I'm gonna leave it like this for a few days and we'll see how we feel. Oh my gosh, if I had short hair, it would look like this. Should I just cut it all off? So if you can see, I still fully have that length even when I tie my hair up. It's just what I wanted. I have no idea what it looks like from the back right now, but I don't want to think about it. Let's not ruin this moment. Okay, I'm gonna go film a video now. Just kidding, a package just came. I've ordered chuu clothes before, but this is my first time ordering from their official website, and it comes in a really cute bag like this. How am I supposed to throw this away, huh? It's so pretty! Let's go! So chuu did a collab with Barbie, and Barbie was my life when I was a little girl. This is just gonna be an experience for me. So I saw this on Instagram and you know what happens next. This is a pink gingham cardigan and it says Barbie on the side. Like it's actually Barbie's clothes or something. I am devastated. This is so cute. Calm down. Quality wise, feels pretty thick and good quality, and it's really soft as well. And I also just got some pajamas. So it's a tank and shorts set, and it's got these cute little cherries on it. I thought it'd just be really good for summertime because in like the peak weather of summer, I cannot wear anything that covers my shoulders. Tanks are the way to go for me. They're very cute and really stretchy. I'm sorry, ignore the pajama pants, but it's so cute. I actually just feel like I'm wearing Barbie's clothes. Yeah, that's what it looks like. Oh, you guys. That's cute. Yeah, that's cute. Yeah, that's cute. By the way, I'm sorry that you had to have those images of me in the process of cutting my hair like burned into your brain. I'm sure it's not what you signed up for. It's not really what I signed up for either. But it's what we're both getting, apparently. I cannot tell if I'm giving you glam or early 2000s emo punk girl on Tumblr. Seriously though, should I cut it short? Should I? Should I? Should I? Should I?